Yeah, if you're not familiar with Google Trends, it's a tremendous tool to help you find out what people are searching for related to specific topics. We use it here on the Small Business Show, and we recommend you use it for your business. We're going to dive into, different website software and services here in a little bit. And one of the things that you need to do is keep that website updated. It's not a static, you put it up there and it just sits there. You want to produce content on that site that is going to come up in search results.
That's the key. And
right?
What I was going to say is, if you are producing any kind of content, you need to be using Google Trends. And it's at trends, trends.google.com. And as Shannon said, you can go and search for a topic. You get to narrow it down to your local area or beyond, or the time range. You can look what did people search for in the last year? What did they search for more recently? It's fantastic.